Hey everyone, it's Queen here. Welcome back to Queen's Family and Lifestyle. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite comfort food, rich creamy plantain porridge. It's simple, flavorful and perfect for the family. Let's get started. Here I've got ripe plantains, not overly soft, just firm and yellow with a few black spots. I'm washing, peeling and cutting them into small cubes so they cook evenly. In a clean pot, pour in just enough water to cover your diced plantains. Then add in your diced plantains. Add a little salt, cover the pot and let it cook on medium heat for about 12 to 15 minutes. You will know it's ready when the plantain becomes soft and some pieces start to break down. Next, chop some onions. So I added some chopped onions into the plantains and the remaining ones will be used for the sauce. Pound or blend your fresh peppers and crayfish. Wash and debone your smoked fish and set aside. You can actually make use of any protein of your choice, but here I made use of smoked fish. Next, I'm washing, peeling and slicing some fresh scent leaves. I'll be adding them lastly. They give this porridge that beautiful aroma and unique taste. Now let's move on to the sauce. In a separate pan, heat your palm oil. Don't let it bleed, just warm it up gently. Then add your chopped onions and let them fry for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Next, scoop in the pounded pepper mix and crayfish. taste and a little salt as well. At this point, add in your smoked fish or any protein you prefer. This step really boosts the flavor of the sauce. Fry this on a medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes until the sauce thickens and the oil starts to separate. Once the sauce is ready, pour it straight into the pot of cooked plantain. Gently stir everything together. The plantain should soak up that beautiful red color. Cover the pot and let everything simmer together on low heat for another 5 minutes so the flavors blend perfectly. At this point, taste and adjust your seasoning if needed. And finally, I'm adding my freshly sliced scent leaves. Stir and mash a few pieces of the plantains for that extra creamy texture. Let it simmer for just a minute so the flavor blends in. Don't overcook it. Turn off the heat and serve. The scent leaf take this creamy plantain porridge to the next level. And there you have it, creamy, rich and absolutely delicious plantain porridge. It's perfect on its own or with a chilled drink on the side. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Queen's Family and Lifestyle. Share it with someone who loves good home cooking and let me know where you're watching us from so I can send you a hug in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.